want to brighten up your garden a little bit and have a little special feature in there, these are amazing. Just sit, watch Netflix and have little snacks. So I picked up these solar panel lanterns. How beautiful are these? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now, as you can see from the title, I am doing a B&M haul today, but this is part 2. Now, I actually just filmed part 1, so if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and check that out. I will leave a little link in the description bar, so go ahead and check that out first. Without further ado, I'm going to stop mumbling on like I do with every intro. Grab your snacks, grab yourself a drink, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then please hit that little red button down below. Don't forget to hit the bell as well, because that will tell you when I next upload. And without further ado, let's get into this haul. So as per usual, no particular order, I'm just going to put out what's in the bag, and I'm going to try and do it in some sort of order for you, because there is gardening stuff here, there is cleaning stuff, and there is homeware as well. So I'm going to try my best to do it in some sort of order. So when I first go into my B&M, the first thing I see is the cleaning stuff. So obviously I'm going to pick it up. So the first thing I picked up was this Harpic Active Fresh. That is a mouthful. So I picked mine up in Marine Splash, and this stuff is amazing for getting rid of limescale, amazing to keep your toilet fresh, and so inexpensive. This was literally £1. And it says it's long lasting freshness as well. I don't know if I told you, but it is a bleach. Bit boring, but an essential for your house. I just picked up some refuse sacks, 18 in a pack, and they're £1. I just got black ones. Nothing really special about them, they're just bin bags. In my part 1 B&M haul, I picked up some scrub buddies, which were really affordable, and I still absolutely swear by those. They're so good. But I couldn't resist this one, guys. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist it. How beautiful is this Minky? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. It's so pretty, and to be fair, I just want this on my kitchen side. I think it looks so pretty. Pretty sure they're £2.49, so still not that expensive. So I picked up this one. We all know that Minkies are good anyway, so I just couldn't resist it. I saw it and I just thought, you're going in my basket. So next up for my garden, I've been picking up stuff here, there and everywhere, and just made my garden look really pretty with some really inexpensive stuff. So I picked up these solar panel lanterns. How beautiful are these? I don't know if you can actually see on camera, but they are iridescent glass, which I just think is so pretty. Literally cannot wait to get these out. I'm going to put these out on all the corners of my fences outside of my garden. I just think it's going to look so pretty. And with this, it is a bright white LED, which I absolutely love. I just think that really stands out in your garden. And I actually picked up 4 of these. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I picked up 4 of these for each side of the fence. They are going to look amazing, and they were literally only £2 each, which I think is so inexpensive. And the fact that they're solar panels as well, just amazing. So good. So like I said, I'm going to try and do it in some sort of order. So next up, I picked up some more stuff for my garden. This is a 3D wind spinner with a crystal in the middle. Now, I've actually got the small one of these, and I have it on my arch that's in my garden, and it looks so pretty in the sun. I absolutely love it. And this was actually only £3. I cannot believe this was £3. But as you can see, it's like a circle, and then it has a crystal in the middle, and then it has a long piece of thread and a hook, so you can hang it anywhere in your garden. And then this bit here just spins and catches the sunlight. It is gorgeous. Trust me, if you want to brighten up your garden a little bit and have a little special feature in there, these are amazing. They're so pretty, and I've had so many compliments on them. So £3, that's quite a big one as well. You cannot go wrong with £3. So I also picked up this one for the garden. This is absolutely stunning. If you can see, it is a heart in the middle with loads of little shapes going on. A little crystal at the bottom, which I think is beautiful. Let me bring you closer. But also you've got this little detail here in the red and the pink, and I just thought that was so pretty. Yeah, they just look really pretty in the garden. I'm going to put this again over my arch in my garden. So yeah, I think that's going to look so lovely. So it has a sticker on it for now £2. I'm not sure how much it was before that because it didn't have it on the shelf, it has got a sticker underneath, but I can't quite see how much it was. But it does say it was £2.50, then it's gone down to £2. So these have gone down even more than what they were. So yeah, just picked that up and I think that's going to look absolutely beautiful and stunning in anyone's garden. I have been watching so much Netflix recently, and sometimes when I'm sitting down in the evening and I'm watching a movie, I want that little bit of a snack. So yeah, I may have picked up some little snacks here. I mean, we are in lockdown, guys, and what else do we have to do than just sit, watch Netflix and have little snacks? So I picked up some Snicker bites. I also picked up these M&Ms, which are salted caramel. I've never had these before and I really want to try them actually. These are not just for me, these are for the grandkids as well, I promise. They're not just for me. And they all were £1 each. Also picked up some Galaxy buttons. Another one I haven't tried. I do like Galaxy chocolate, so I'm hoping I'm going to like these. It says caramel crunch, so ooh, they sound nice. I might have some of them tonight while I was watching Netflix. Hi Tilly! Hello! Let's say hello. Whenever I do a video, she wants to be in it. Also picked up a packet of these. These are my childhood favourites. I used to love these strawberry milkshakes. I feel like such a child showing you guys these, but I really, really like them. They're just the Bassett strawberry milkshakes. And yeah, just a little sweet treat when you sit watching Netflix. I picked up these Tango ice pops. These are basically only 14 calories per ice pop, which I thought was really good actually. So that means there's not actually a lot of sugar in these. You have orange flavour, apple flavour, cherry and blue raspberry. My son absolutely loved these as well, and when the grandkids come round they always ask for lollipops and stuff like that. So I thought I'd stack up my freezer. How many did you get in here? Oh, it's a 12 pack, which is really good actually. It was only £1.50. So I've been wanting to make a banana cake for so long, but I didn't have one of those loaf tins. So I found one the other day in B&M. I'm so happy. I feel like I was so happy over the random bits. But this was only £1.50 and it would do. It's literally what I wanted. It's just a loaf tin. It would do the job, and now I can make my banana bread. I might actually make it on my channel. So next up, because we're allowed to see family now and they're allowed around your house, obviously I want to see my grandchildren. I haven't seen them for so long. So I picked up a little gift for them. They always stay around my house as well. So I picked up a few pairs of pyjamas. I have 3 grandchildren. So obviously 3 pairs of pyjamas. So I just picked up these ones here, and they were only £3. So I thought, what a bargain. It's so good to have little bits like this in my house, because when they come round and they forget things, I've already got them there for them. So yeah, so I picked up this pair. These ones are for Gabby, and they've just got little ice creams on them. And what I liked about these, they are shorts and a t-shirt, which is ideal because obviously it's really hot out there now, and they're going to get hot at night, so having little shorts would just be perfect for them. And they started from like 6 months up to 11 or 12, so they had loads and loads of these in there. So yeah, £3. I thought that was so good, and Gabby's going to absolutely love these, I know she will. And then for Finley, my grandson, I picked up these little space ones. He absolutely loves dinosaurs, but I could not find any dinosaur pyjamas in there at all. So I thought I'd get these ones for him, and they just say Space Dude. The only thing is they are trousers. It was really difficult to get his size. I feel like for boys in B&M, it's really difficult to buy stuff for them. There's lots of stuff for girls, but not a lot of stuff for boys. So yeah, I was a little bit disappointed that I couldn't get in the shorts, but nevertheless, I think he's going to like these anyway. And for Amelia, I picked up these little fruit ones, which I think are so cute. They just look like the sun is out and I'm putting my fruity pyjamas on. Again, £3. I picked hers up in a 3 to 4 because she is 3. And yeah, so they are shorts and t-shirt again, which is ideal because she does get really hot. So yeah, £3. You just cannot go wrong. Also, my granddaughter Gabby, every time she comes around my house, she wants me to do her hair. And I saw this and I thought, how good is this? It's just a little brush, but it has all these little hairbands in, because whenever we go to do a hair, can we find a hairband? I don't know where they go in my house. They just disappear. So, but I thought this is such a good idea. So yeah, Gabby, we can do your hair now. And it's a really pretty colour. I picked up the pink one. They also had lilac ones in there as well. And this was only £1. How good is that? Just for a pack of hairbands, it's £1. So I've got a brush and hairbands, which is so cool. So I saw this in B&M and couldn't believe it. This was £3.99. It is a Lash Sensational Mascara. I use this every single day. But my mascara in Boots and Superdrugs and places like that actually cost me £8.99. So when I saw this for £3.99, I was having it. I was picking it up. So I use this every single day. The one I use is this one here. I don't know if you can see that. The one I use is this one here. And it's just in the rose gold packaging. It's black Lash Sensational. But this one, it says it's Lash Sensational, luscious with oil blend, multiplying effects. It says it intensifies mascara, coats every lash for softer, denser feel. So I don't know if this is any different to that one, but I'm going to try it out. And for £3.99, if this is one that I really, really like, I'm going to B&M to get them. Forget Superdrugs, forget Boots, forget anywhere like that. I'm paying £3.99 for my mascara now. So I did try to do this in some sort of order, but I have a basket down here and I found some cleaner bits in it, so I'm sorry that this is random. But I picked up some Flash traditional collection, but I picked mine up in natural soap. Everyone raves about this stuff, so I want to see if it's nice. I like using Flash in my bathroom and in my kitchen, so yeah, I wanted to try this one out. But it was £1.99, so it's pretty expensive for what it is, really. But yeah, I'm going to try this one out. It says it gets rid of 100% dirt and grime, so anything that gets rid of germs. Also, just picked up my Lenore. This is Ocean Escape, and I am not joking you, this is so nice. The smell is amazing. I always stock up with these in B&M because sometimes it's hard for me to get there, so if I can get stuff while I'm there, I'm going to get it. This is a massive bottle. It does 55 washes and it was only £2.99. How good is that? So I'll be doing lots of organising around my house, and in my food cupboards downstairs I've bought a few baskets and managed to sort of organise my food into these baskets. They look so neat and tidy. And I needed some more. Picked up these ones here. I think there's no price on them, but I'm pretty sure these were only £1.50 and you get 2 in a pack, which is really good. So yeah, I've got a bit more organising to do around my house and I'm going to be using these. So next up is something that I'm really, really excited about, but it's a bit awkward to hold. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get it all on camera. So it is this storage basket. Oh, I can get it on camera. So it's this storage basket. How nice is this? How nice. It's got a wooden lid on the top, which you can use as a table or as a seat, which I think is absolutely beautiful. I'm not keen on the wooden top. I don't think it really goes with anything in my house, but I'm going to be doing a bit of DIY on it, so keep an eye out for that. I love the white. I think that goes really, really well in my house. And this was only £12. I'm going to put my throws in it and then just have it near the TV, so it's so much easier to get my throws rather than getting them out of a cupboard. And yeah, I just thought it's going to look really, really nice in the house. £12, I mean, that's really good, really good. I know these can be really expensive online, but I picked up the white one. They also do them in black as well. So for the reason for picking up that is because I picked up, let me put it around the right way, this. How gorgeous is this? It is a grey faux fur throw. It is so, so beautiful, so, so soft. I love the detail in it. And it was only £10. This is a big one as well. It's 150 centimetres by 200 centimetres, which is a big old throw, so I'm really happy. So this is the last thing in my haul today, and it is a side table. I already have one of these on one side of my bed, but I wanted to get another one for the other side, and they didn't have them in for so long. But it is just this little side table here. I love it. It's marble and then rose gold legs. How beautiful is that? But I absolutely love it. The only thing is, they did have blush pink ones in at one time, and I really wanted those because I thought they would go better in my bedroom. But I opted for the marble ones. They look really, really pretty. I might just do a little bit of DIY with the top part here, but who knows. This was only £15, so I was really pleased that I managed to get my hands on this one at last. So now I can have 2 side tables instead of 1. That was everything in B&M's part 2. So don't forget, if you haven't seen part 1, go ahead, check that one out. Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you so much for your support. I love you all so much. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for me. Don't forget to hit that little subscribe button down below, and I'll see you all in my next video, guys. Bye for now.